22nd, 1993. Roberts takes a smack at Tchaikovsky as the horn goes.
And in comes Isbister, and we got an after-the-game battle here.
Oh, man.
And
Domi is in there, too. Kearns is in there also. There's a pileup over there. I saw one punch thrown on Tchaikovsky, and that was by Roberts. And all four officials are there.
Well, it's been a very bitterly fought game. And now the fans who really enjoyed watching the Islanders reappear in the playoffs have had something to cheer about. And it's been a long time, Bob, that this rink's been this full. Oh, and this fight's not over yet, as Roberts and now Isbister.
Whoa! Isbister is pounding at Roberts, who's down on his knees and has no chance. Sundin has put the grab on Tchaikovsky.
And we see some of the plastic beer bottles coming out of the stands onto the ice.
Everybody who was on the ice at the time, with the exception of Corey Schwab and Chris Osgood, were into this. What does this mean for tomorrow night now?
I don't know. After the game fights are not looked too fondly upon by the NHL brass. It'll be interesting to see the referee's report on what happened in their opinion after. And there is Shane Corson chatting on the Islander bench with Steve Webb, who has been a thorn in the side of the Leafs, to say the least. And this is how it all started. Tchaikovsky and Roberts as the game ended. And then we have everybody in it.
Well, they were talking, Harry, and pushing each other all the way from the Leaf blue line, Roberts and Tchaikovsky. And finally, they got down inside the line, and Tchaikovsky was hit. But immediately, Isbister jumped in on Roberts, and then everybody got involved. Well, item number one is that the series is closer now. It is 2-1 in favor of the Maple Leafs. The win tonight, convincing win by the Islanders.